Ready to become a real-life Barbie in just a few clicks? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform yourself using CapCut's incredible Barbie templates. By the end of this video, you'll have a stunning Barbie-themed photo or video that you can save, share, or even post straight to TikTok. Whether you want a glamorous effect for your profile picture or just some fun for your feed, you'll master the step-by-step process. No editing experience needed. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access CapCut on your computer. Now, you've got two solid options here. You can either download and install the CapCut desktop app directly from the official CapCut website, or if you prefer not to download anything, simply open up your web browser and head to the CapCut website to use their online video editor. Both versions work beautifully for this tutorial, so pick whichever suits you best. Once CapCut is open, just sign in. That's your ticket to all their powerful editing features. Next, let's look for the magic, templates. On the left sidebar of the CapCut interface, you'll see a section called Templates. Go ahead and click on that. Templates are preset designs that do all the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to worry about advanced editing tools. It's like getting a shortcut to a professional-looking result. Now, this is where the fun really begins. Use the search bar at the top of the Templates section and type in something like Barbie AI filter, Barbie doll, or any keywords related to the Barbie look you're after. CapCut's search is intuitive, but if you're feeling stuck, just check out the For You or Trending categories. These often highlight the most popular templates, and Barbie's usually high up there. Scroll through the search results at your own pace. When you hover over each template, you'll get a quick preview, so take a second to check how different effects look before making your choice. Found one you love? Awesome! Click on that template. It should open up a larger preview window. Once you're sure it's the one you want, hit the Use Template button. This is the magic switch that drops you right into the video editor, with the Barbie effect already activated on your timeline. Now, you'll see placeholders in the editor. These could look like plus symbols or little prompts that say Replace. Click on one and upload the photo or video clip of yourself that you want to transform. Don't stress if you're not sure which file to use. You can always upload a couple and see what looks best. CapCut makes this part pretty forgiving. Once your picture or video is imported, you'll need to replace the demo media with your own. You can either drag your file onto the timeline or, even easier, click the Replace option right inside the template. Immediately, the Barbie transformation effect will be applied to your media. Take a minute to check out the results. You can crop, reposition, or adjust the fit to get it just right. If the pink background is a little off-center, or your face isn't framed perfectly, that's totally normal. CapCut gives you simple tools to tweak things until they're perfect. Feeling happy with your new Barbie look? Time to share it with the world. Click the Export button in the top right corner. Here, you can select your resolution, video format, and quality settings. If you just want something for Instagram, standard HD is usually perfect, but if you're putting it on TikTok, higher resolution can really make you pop. Choose where to save the file on your computer, or, if you're feeling social, you can share it directly to platforms like TikTok right from CapCut. And that's it. You've just turned yourself into Barbie using a CapCut's Cut Eye template. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you want more editing tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative and easy CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and have fun showing off your new Barbie style.